This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you ankle circles. This can help ankle and foot pain, like for plantar fasciitis. This one is safest when done while seated. With your foot slightly off the ground, you want to make circles as big as you can, nice and slow. Focus on making the circles as even and smooth as possible. Then go the other way. You can do this for 2 minutes each, or if you prefer, do 2 sets of 12 one direction and 2 sets of 12 the other way. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, you know to do all the things. Reach out if you have any questions.